Hello, today we are discussed about XRP Ripple token. Digital currencies are gaining in popularity day by day. In recent years, XRP Ripple is one of the four cryptocurrency leaders along with Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Tether. Ripple has been showing rapid progress throughout its lifetime, and XRP price has seen a substantial improvement. With such a large market cap, many investors are trying to figure out whether the altcoin can rise more this year. Overview: Cryptocurrency Ripple token XRP price $.9753, market cap $45244927848, circulating supply 46717640571, trading volume 2609820723, all time high $3.4, all time low $0.0027 in May 2014. Its overview about Ripple XRP token: price, market cap, all time high and all time low. What is Ripple XRP? Ripple, released in 2012, is similar to Ethereum. It is widely in use to describe both its payment network and as a cryptocurrency. Its payment network is the Ripple network net. With XRP, its native currency, helps to carry out cross-border transactions that are also tradable. XRP is the native token of the network and powers transferring values within the network. The digital currency is tradable for almost any fiat currency or other digital assets that too with a negligible transaction fee. The XRP token is here to serve a purpose, and that is to facilitate money transfer between any two currencies that takes time and money. Analysis. XRP owns resolve several issues faced when using Bitcoin, like low speed and huge transaction fee. The transaction speed of Ripple XRP is only around 4 seconds, and around 1500 transactions can be handled hassle-free per second. Ripple XRP Labs created 100 billion XRP tokens initially that operate independently from Ripple. Thus, Ripple XRP is the currency that runs on RippleNet, a digital payment network which is on top of the XRP ledger distributed database. The XRP ledger is open source and is based on distributed ledger technology. Many experts believe XRP Ripple prices are highly undervalued and may swell notably in the near future. Many experts bullish on Ripple price. Thanks for watching me. Experts believe XRP